Hey, y'all, come look at this.
What's the freakiest thing you did on spring break?
Ooh, last night.
Rate your head game from 1 to 10.
My shit phenomenal.
Nice.
Double hand twist. What is it? 460, 300 combo. There we go.
There we go.
Let's go.
Don't drop nothing.
Oh my God.
When I do it, his eyes be rolling to the back of his head.
Toes be curling?
Yes.
You cannot suck dick and not include the balls.
Oh, wow.
Double hand twist.
What's good, YouTube? It's boy Pree, and I'm back with another video. Yes, sir. So as you can read for the title, today we got the Henny. I got the Casabicos, you know what I'm saying? We about to get lit. About to ask these girls a few questions. And we're gonna see what's their favorite drink. Let's get it. Alright, rate your head game 1 to 10.
Why I gotta answer this shit?
I'm trying to ask her too, but...
So you gonna ask my ass?
Rate your head game 1 to 10.
Bruh. Ask her the question.
Rate your head game 1 to 10.
Rate your head game, friend. A 10, cause he be rolling. His eyes be rolling to the back of his head when I do it. When I do it, his eyes be rolling to the back of his head.
Toes be curling?
Yes.
Curls be curling?
Hell yeah.
Yeah, balls and all?
Uh-huh. You gotta suck them hoes. Harry?
Oh, hell no.
You gotta suck them.
What the fuck did you just let her do?
I already know the answer, but spit or swallow?
Swallow.
Yeah. Where you from?
It's in my stomach. I'm chilling, man. Don't ask me shit.
Look.
Follow me on Instagram, XO.Cheer.
Spit or swallow?
You gonna answer the question you over there giving?
Spit or swallow?
I just wanted to shout myself out. Maya.
And
Skylar.
how y'all doing today?
We good. We Gucci.
Gucci, how y'all spring break going?
Great. We in Miami. Sexy. Get it lit. It's my homegirl birthday. Period. We lit.
Y'all lit, definitely.
Yeah.
What you said the snake feel like?
A penis.
How?
It feel like dick.
Really big dick.
The veins was coming out the snake and everything.
It be moving and stuff. Like scrunching up, like when dick finna nut.
Ooh. I remember that feeling.
Alright, so look, the first question of the night.
Okay.
Rate your head game 1 to 10.
Oh, BMS. Yeah.
Rate what?
Your head game 1 to 10.
My head game.
Her answer too slow. She
Bro, the scale.
It's on 1,000. I make niggas nut in seconds.
BMS.
So you do balls and all? 3,000?
Balls and all.
Double hand twist?
Hairy balls and all.
BMS, bro.
BMS.
I already know. You said bro, my scale. You
Okay.
in there,
What's the
everything.
second question?
Second question, spit or swallow?
Y'all know what it is.
Yo, she's swallowing.
Never have I ever.
Right.
Always
Spit.
have I ever did it. Yeah.
Yeah.
I'ma have to spit on that one.
Why you spitting?
I'ma have to spit. Unless you daddy, I'ma have to spit. I'm not one of them. I'm not one of them.
She not one of them. All right, man. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. Hi, Pree, and I'm back with Slim
Asia.
and Asia. How y'all spring break going so far?
It's been alright. How you doing? Great.
Y'all sound like it's kind of. It ain't
up right now,
Y'all
okay?
fucked up.
We trying
But
to
y'all
get
been getting lit.
Yeah. We
How long y'all been out here?
Just today.
Today, first day.
We got here what? 8 hours ago.
8 hours ago. Okay. So where y'all coming from?
Virginia.
Virginia. Ooh. First question. Rate your head game 1 to 10.
Of course, I'm gonna say a 10. What the fuck? I ain't gonna downplay myself. 10, absolutely.
Double hand twister. Who? Double hand twister. Last question. So, do you spit or swallow?
It depends on
Who it is? Okay. So, we know the answer.
Definitely swallowing.
Hey, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. It's boy Pree, and I'm back with Avery B.
Yes, sir. Avery B in that motherfucker, man. No cap.
Youngest, hottest young nigga in the A.
Appreciate it.
Hey, I fuck with you, my boy. I ain't gonna lie. Keep that shit going. You know what I'm saying? But look though, what's the freakiest thing you did on spring break?
Ooh, last night. I ain't gonna lie. Nigga went crazy.
What you?
Tune into the vlog if y'all want to see what I did.
I fuck with you. It's the boy Pree, and I'm back with
Ashanti. Stacy.
Ashanti and Stacey. What y'all sipping on?
Strawberry daiquiri.
Same thing.
Strawberry daiquiri.
All right. So how's y'all spring break going so far?
Good so far.
It's going good.
And where y'all from?
Syracuse, New York.
New York. Okay, that's lit. So y'all be wearing Timbs and shit?
Hell yeah.
You don't got no Timbs on though, man. It's spring break. It's spring break. All right. So look, main question of the night. Rate your head game 1 to 10.
Oh, I'm a 10, baby. Bitch, if I can rate the
50.
galaxy, I will.
50.
If I can rate the galaxy, I will.
So, Gog 3000, double hand twist, all that?
Double hand twist.
Don't drop
What is
nothing.
it? 460, 300 combo? There we go.
There we go.
Let's go.
Don't drop nothing.
Balls and all?
All that.
I'm gonna put the ball on now, but just get it. Don't drop nothing. You drop something, you get punished.
They just gonna do it, like Nike.
Just do it!
Boy, White Pree, I'm back with
I'm Jennifer.
Jennifer. Well, you forgot your name or something?
No,
Alright, so how your spring break going?
it's going good so far.
Going good. What you been getting into?
Everything.
Everything.
What you been getting into?
Nothing. So where you from? Where you from?
I'm from St. Louis. Where you from?
I'm from Jamaica, but I stay in Florida. First question of the night. Rate your head game 1 to 10.
A head game. Oh, I give head and I swallow. I don't need to rate it.
Why you answer my second question in one question? Why you did that?
Because I already know what you're gonna ask me.
So you be giving that Gog 3000 double hand twist?
I mean, of course. Like 2 hands twisted, of course.
Balls and all?
You cannot suck dick and not include the balls. It's impossible.
Oh, wow.
If you sucking dick and not including the balls, you're not doing it right.
I don't understand.
It's impossible.
Suck dick and don't include the balls. Like, it's impossible. It's impossible.
It's impossible. Where you from?
I'm from Sacramento, California, but I go to FAMU, the #1 public HBCU in the country.
Alright, first question of the night. Rate your head game 1 to 10.
Definitely a 10.
So you be giving that Gog 3000
Duh. But only if you deserve it.
double hand twist?
What?
Double hand twist?
You asking too many questions because you'll never find out.
Spit or swallow?
Swallow if you my man. I ain't sucking dick if you not.
Balls and all?
Balls and all.
Like, comment, subscribe. We out. It's your boy White Pree, and look who I done ran into again.
Tay.
Asia.
Tay and Asia. Girl, I was just here a couple days ago. You done did the freakiest thing you did on spring break. Yeah, you done forgot. Y'all.
I said have a threesome on the beach.
Threesome on the beach. Okay. Right. You know what I'm saying? Hey, video going viral right now. I ain't gonna lie. Yeah, go look at the views right now. But look, the first question of the night. Rate your head game from 1 to 10.
A 10.
Yeah.
A 10?
A 10.
A 10?
Yeah.
Damn, why is it 10?
You better ask her. That bitch be giving out on them on the pills.
Period.
Why got about 3,000 in this hole?
Oh my God! Wow!
Y'all spit or swallow?
Swallow.
I should have known, because y'all threesome, asked her. Hey, look, they lit. I already told y'all they lit. And make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, though. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. We out. It's your boy White Pree, and I'm back with Jazz,
Chink.
and Chink. And how y'all spring break going so far?
Pretty good.
It's going good.
Good.
Y'all look lit. What y'all getting into?
I don't know. Everybody keep giving us different flyers.
First question of the night. Rate your head game from 1 to 10.
Wow. Out of all questions,
Yeah.
I say like an 8.
An 8?
Oh, I give myself a 10.
10? So you be Gog 3000?
Yeah.
Double hand twister?
So it's more like
Oh.
flipping the book like
How you know that?
Cause she my friend. I know she like girls.
You know she like
Dated
girls.
my cousin.
Right. You sure? She ain't give you one slip you. You sure? Alright.
Seriously, what the fuck are you doing?
So, spit or swallow?
Neither. Oh, eating pussy? Oh, yeah.
Oh, baby,
do
you swallow or do you spit?
Oh, I swallow.
She talking like she swallow. You swallow?
I told you I'm an 8.
Okay, that, you can still swallow.
I'm not swallowing shit.
Yeah.
You can
You
hold
like
my back.
on your back?
On my back, on my titties.
Back and titties.
You's a freak, bitch.
You is a freak, bitch. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. We out. Boy, White Pree, and I'm back with
Me? My name is Lauren.
Aria.
Aria. Her name?
Cam.
Oh, she was trying to run. Rate your head game 1 to 10.
1. 1, because I'm not doing that shit. Fuck you talking
You don't such it?
Nope.
Not even your man?
Nope.
Why not?
Because he going to eat this coochie and that's it.
What? You tripping? I know you capping. All right, so
I swear.
you swear? It's like that. Rate your head game 1 to 10.
Shit, 10 for sure.
And we getting Gaga 3000, double twister.
That's not the name for it, but
All right, last question. Spit or swallow?
y'all need to mind y'all fucking business, man.
She swallow.
My man, yes.
She swallow. Spit or swallow? All right, it's your boy White Pree, and I'm back with
Monet.
Monet
Harlem.
and Carla. How y'all spring break going so far?
It's hard.
It's alright, yeah.
It's all right. Why is it all right? How long y'all been out here?
Only a day.
Y'all want a shot?
We'll take a shot.
What you want? Casamigos?
We'll both take Casamigos.
So why she doing that, right? I'm gonna go ahead and ask you the first question. Rate your head game 1 to 10.
Ask my bitch.
Who your bitch?
Ask my bitch.
This you her bitch? What's her rate her head game 1 to 10?
1,000.
1,000? She be
Yeah.
rate your head game 1 to 10.
I don't know.
Hey, these girls lit out here. I ain't gonna lie. Where y'all from?
Pittsburgh.
Pittsburgh. Where you from?
Pittsburgh.
Pittsburgh. Ah, damn. All right, Pittsburgh lit. I ain't gonna lie to you. Spit or swallow?
Both of them.
Like, you gotta explain that. Spit or swallow?
I must swallow that.
She already answered.
I do both of them.
Both of them. This one right here. Hold on. So the freakiest thing y'all did between each other, like with each other.
I plead the fifth.
Threesome.
Yeah.
Yeah, y'all did that.
No, we ain't do no threesome. That's my girl. We don't do that. We don't get to.
Okay. Balcony.
Yup.
Yeah. Okay. What's the freakiest thing y'all did together?
Each other.
I mean, okay. All right. They lit. I fuck with them. I fuck with y'all. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. It's your boy White Pree. We out. It's your boy White Pree, and I'm back with Nana.
And Pree.
And Bree. I ain't gonna lie, I swear I had Nana and Bree before. But look, how y'all spring break going?
It's going good. So far, so good. Yeah.
How long y'all been out here?
Since yesterday. Like 2 days. Yeah.
Okay, and y'all lit? Y'all getting into stuff?
We getting up. Yeah. We getting up.
What y'all getting into?
A couple parties. Yeah. Pool parties, party buses, all day. Getting high.
Okay. Sound like fun. Sound like y'all been lit. Y'all ain't going no yachts yet?
Yeah, we did yesterday.
Okay, y'all definitely having fun then. Where y'all from?
Chicago. Yeah, the Rack, Chicago.
All right, damn, y'all from the Rat, or you from Chicago?
Rack. Chicago.
So y'all be passing overlock and shit?
I mean, yeah. To us, it's regular though. Like,
I feel it.
It's regular.
I'm just saying though, yeah. All right. So y'all do the King Vons and the Lil Durks and shit like that. I see the shooters. You know what I'm saying? But look, question of the day. Rate your head game 1 to 10.
I have to say 10. I won't lie, yeah. Not to brag, but 10, 11, 100.
Oh, I love 100. Double hand twist?
More than that,
What? Nah, I don't. Show me look.
Alright.
I said 10.
Yeah, I said 10.
So you be doing the Glock 3000, double hand, balls and all.
Double head twist.
Spit or swallow?
Swallow. Yeah, swallow.
All that.
I don't like all the men, so we just gonna get rid of that.
Only
if it tastes good. If your shit don't taste good, then I won't swallow. That's it. Yeah. So that means drink plenty of water, eat plenty of fruit. Keep your body clean. Like niggas who be not clean.
Make sure y'all drinking water, eat fruit.
Yeah.
Chicago.
We'll swallow for you. Only if it's healthy.
From the Rack.
Okay, let me see.
All right, they gonna take their shots.
done already. Catch up, go. Hey.
Hit the whole bottle.
It's your boy White Pree, and I'm back with
Aaliyah. Salaya. Lindita.
All right. And where y'all from?
Memphis. Michigan. Wisconsin.
Man, 3 different states. All right. How y'all spring break going so far?
Shit, it's going pretty crazy.
Pretty crazy? Why is it crazy? What you been getting into?
Everything you could think of.
Shit, you should have. Hey, she should have been in my last video.
It's good. It's going good. Yeah, good. Yeah.
Y'all been getting into stuff too?
Hell yeah.
they just more silent with it, you know what I'm saying? So look, we gonna get into the questions, you know what I'm saying? So the first question of the night. Rate your head game from 1 to 10.
My shit phenomenal.
Nice. Phenomenal.
11 out of 10.
Broke the scale.
I say it's pretty good. You know, you got the balls and all, but it's great.
Okay. Do you spit or swallow?
Swallow. Spit.
Why you spitting? Why you spitting?
Because that shit fucking nasty.
No! It's about White Pree, now back with
Cynthia. Jennifer.
Lima.
Alright, where y'all from?
Queens. Long Island.
Long Island as well.
Long Island, Queens. Alright, New Yorkers.
Yeah.
Y'all be wearing Timbs and shit?
Yeah.
Always.
Always got a pair of Timbs? Both black and yellow?
Not black. Oh no.
Just the basic one, not no black shit.
Alright. So how y'all spring break going so far?
This shit is lit.
That's only my first day out here, man. I don't even know what the fuck going on.
Y'all been getting in some lit shit though?
Yes.
Yeah? Everything?
Everything.
Alright, so look, main question of the night. Rate y'all head game from 1 to 10.
Mine?
Yeah. 8.5.
8.5?
I don't know. 7.
7?
What was that question again, bro?
Rate your head game from 1 to 10.
Shit. 9 maybe? I don't know.
You said an 8?
Yeah, 8.5.
So you be giving that got 3,000?
It's
sometime.
not got, it's like
The double hand twisting on, balls and on?
no balls. I don't do that.
Just, alright.
Just regular.
So look, last question.
Okay.
You spit or swallow?
Neither. Don't do that shit in my mouth.
No?
No.
So where you like it?
Nigga, in the air, on the tissue, something?
Not on your titties, your back, your ass?
Oh, no. No.
Damn. So a nigga can't even finish on you? Like,
No.
What about in you though?
No, hell no. Definitely not.
Damn, that's crazy. Why you ran?
My back.
Titties on your ass? Alright. And for you, my boy, where you like to finish at?
I finish everywhere. Depends on the situation, bro. Shit. You don't
Depends on the situation?
Yeah, it could be anywhere. You know?
Depends on what she wants.
Every single spot, you know?
Alright, my boy getting it in. But yeah, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, bro. Look, make sure if you like this video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. You know what I'm saying? It's your boy White Pree. And we out. Spring break 2022 is lit. If you're not out here, you do. But yeah, make sure you like, comment, subscribe.